Hey guys, it's your girl Brianna Queen, and I'm back with another revamp video. Today I am redoing my bedroom. At this point in my life, I feel like I want my bedroom to be a space that is, not a lot of stuff, very peaceful. I truly believe your bedroom is a sacred space. It's where you open up your eyes and start your day, it's where you close your eyes and end your day, it's where I pray. So the bedroom will not be glam like other rooms in my home because I really want a peaceful sanctuary type bedroom. So the first thing I'm doing, which I do in every single decor video, is I start off cleaning. I'm currently cleaning the baseboards and the walls, which I hate. I hate doing it, but it has to be done. So I'm doing that. I'm getting rid of all of my current bedding. I purchased this comforter from Walmart. It is a queen size bed and a queen size comforter. So just getting rid of that because I'm tired of it, y'all. And if you guys are interested in any of the products I use, of course, all those products will be listed down below. So I'm just getting rid of all of the bedding because I feel like when you do a bedroom revamp video, the first thing to go is always the comforter, right? Now adding some wall decor, and this was under $20. It was a Dollar Tree project. And I followed the tutorial by Trisha, which I will link the tutorial down below. I love her channel. But basically, I took some Dollar Tree projects like a little mirror and a pizza pan. I outlined the mirror. Then I took a bunch of these little coins from the Dollar Tree and I just super glued them onto the pan. I used about, I want to say, 14 packs of the coins to get the size that I got. So it really was a $20 project, and I just continued to glue the coins. And then once I had all my coins glued, I went in with some Rust-Oleum navy blue spray paint and spray painted the piece and let that dry for about 2 days. I just wanted something that was going to be simple to put on the wall. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on wall decor because, again, the bedroom to me is a sacred space and it's used for sleep, sex, and self-care. Next up is the rug. I personally feel like the rug brings a space together. And I got this rug for Amazon. It was under 50 bucks. So I'm sure you guys can tell now what color my bedroom's going to be since I have a blue rug and blue wall decor. But just putting this together to really bring the space together. So this comforter came hella wrinkled. I tried throwing it in the dryer. It did not help. It was still wrinkled. So now I'm just steaming it with the iron. And this is a duvet insert. I love duvets because I can literally use the insert as it is. I can add some duvet covers to really transform the bedroom. I'll probably buy some white duvet covers. That way it's easier to clean because white really does get dirty easily. So then I'm just adding some pillows as well as some throw pillows. I got these throw pillows from Amazon as well. You guys know I love to use throw pillow covers with inserts because that way I can change up whenever I want to. I don't have to commit to it. And again, everything you see will be listed down below as well as on the blog post at briannaqueen.com. So now I'm just playing around with different pillow placements, trying to see if I like the look. And then I'm taking a throw blanket, and I love throw blankets because I actually watch TV in my bedroom sometimes. And then sometimes I just need a little more warmth when those 3 days in Florida where it's actually cold. So I have a throw pillow, and it also adds a little bit of character to the bedding. And again, just playing around with the pillow placement. Now I'm taking some candle pillars, and I got these candle pillars from the thrift shop. And all I did was I found them. They were a little dirty, a little janky, so I just spray painted them blue, the same color I spray painted the medallion wall decor. And then I added some candles that I purchased from Joanne Fabrics, and there we go. I love buying stuff from the thrift shop. You can get some really good deals there. And then last but not least, I'm adding some magazines as well as my prayer journal, which you guys, I love it. It's a daily devotional. So this is my budget-friendly bedroom revamp. As I said, I did not want a high glam bedroom. I wanted something that was going to be simple and peaceful. When I start my day and open my eyes, I do not want to see a lot of stuff, you know? I want to feel refreshed and rejuvenated. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also check out the videos down below for more decor videos. You guys stay healthy, happy, beautiful, and blessed. Bye.